Welcome back, everybody, to Prove It. Today, we're going to test some things in the microwave. Hopefully not blow up the microwave. I really need this thing. See if cooking in the middle, cooking on the edge, how long we can cook something, how hot it's going to be in the middle versus how hot it's going to be on the edge. There's a viral thing going around right now saying if you put the food in the edge of the spinner, it'll cook faster than if you put the food in the middle of the microwave. So I'm going to try it out and see if it will work. Let's do it. Today, here's my ingredients. A burrito, frozen burrito, some 2 weeks, 2 months, I don't know, old brats. And my daughter might be mad at me, but her last toaster strudel. So, let's try it out. Let's see if this actually works. I don't think I'm going to put it on anything. I kind of want to cut this. Let me see. I wonder if I have something I can cut. Hold on. Okay. Are you serious? Oh, dang. That's better. Let you see what the inside of this looks like. That's like interesting, isn't it? I kind of want to take a bite of that, but that's the fat dad coming out of me. All right, so let's test it. First thing we're gonna do is this brat. I mean, these are the oldest. These have been in my fridge for a couple of years. So, put one in here, right here. And then I want to take, let's see what this says. So it says it's 53 degrees. So I'm going to put this in the middle, right in the middle. And then I'm going to push 1 minute. All right, let's see what happens. Oh. Okay. Well, let's see. Dang. Okay. A little warm. This one is the middle one. This one is on the outside. Ready? Let's see what the temperature is. 195. Oh, 118. This one was in the middle. This one was on the outside. 189. 140. Interesting. Okay. Ow. Ow, ow. Gosh. Frick. See that? Ouch. Oh. Okay. This one is the one on the outside. 138. This one was on the inside. Did I say that wrong? This one. I'm thinking maybe I was wrong. This one is 120. This one is 79. Let's try it again. I'm gonna put this one in the middle. Put this one on the outside. On the outside, on the outside. We're gonna close it. 1 minute. And let's see. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I don't think I want to touch that. Okay, this one was in the middle. Where are you? Come back over here. It's hot. This one was on the outside. This is the middle one, 144. This one was on the outside. This one, let me make sure again. 124, 161, 126, 188. The middle, this is saying it's 86, 97. Varies by a lot. So I'm thinking that, man, that's tough. I'm thinking on this one, the middle one got hotter, but I don't know if it's how I placed it or I don't know. I'm thinking the middle got hotter, but I want to try it on something else and see. So should we do the burrito or this? This is gonna ooze out everywhere. Okay, let's do this. And you know what? They're not the same size. I don't like that. So let's cut them because I want it to be a fair and balanced. How does this work? Okay, apparently that doesn't work, obviously. So we're gonna make it work. Put a little more. Put a little oomph in it, you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Alright. That's better. There we go. Nope, not good. Put it in the toaster maybe. Okay. Put them in the microwave. One in the middle and one on the outside. How long? 1 minute. Here we go. Write in the comments what you think is gonna happen. Is it gonna be the outside edge or is it gonna be the middle? Which one's gonna be hotter? And go. Okay, this time I think I'm gonna scan it, whatever you call it, from inside the microwave. So, the inside temp, 199, I'm showing like 180, 170, 198, 200, 167, ooh, 140. So 160, you can see that, 60. That was 160 on the middle one. I mean on the outside edge. And we have 185 on the middle. So to me, I mean, obviously, it cooked this hotter in the middle than it did on the outside edge. I mean, I think that is... Oh, it dang near burnt that. Check this out. This should tell you. So here's the outside edge one. Okay. Here is the middle. It's like burnt right here. That's interesting. So the middle cooks hotter. Okay. Now, we're gonna put the next item in there, which is these burritos. Bean and cheese burritos, you know. Good old college food, I don't know. I never went to college, but you know, here we are. Bean burrito. One on the outside and one in the middle. For, can you guess? 1 minute. And here we go. All right. So one thing I noticed is I should have done the toaster strudel last because smelling the sweet toaster strudel and then this nasty bean burrito, yeah, it doesn't smell very good. Ugh, freaking oozed everywhere. I hate it when that happens. So, well, that is very interesting. I'm gonna bring the camera to you so you can see. I think we might have just debunked our myth. So, here is one of them that's in the middle, and here is the one that's not in the middle. In the middle, and not in the middle. Now that is crazy. Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, that definitely is not cooked. Let's see the temperature difference. So, this is the one that was on the side, showing a reading of 125. This one that was in the middle, 160, 155, 148. Let's try the middle. In the middle of it, 150. 160. Okay, guys. You have to put your food in the middle of the microwave, I guess, for it to get done. This thing is like, this toaster strudel that I burnt, it's like hard as a rock. All right, so we figured out you do not cook food over to the side like a weirdo. You cook it in the middle of the microwave, and I think we proved that to be a fact. Hence why I have burnt toaster strudels, which reminds me, do not cook your toaster strudels in the microwave. Use a toaster like normal people do. And make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment down below what you thought was gonna happen, maybe experience you had at your house, and maybe if you burnt a toaster strudel or ate a 3-week-old brat. And as always, we will see you in the next one.